dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and I am back with another gift guide for her. This one is a try on haul, and I am really excited to share with you guys some really cute items. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal Chanel. I do everything fitness, fashion, beauty, but on this channel I really focus on shopping hauls and getting y'all the best deals. Okay, so if this is what you're into, go ahead and subscribe, share this video with a friend, and of course if you are an existing diva doll, then you already know how we get down. Welcome back, girl. But let's just get into it. Today we are going to be talking about the gifts that I recommend for her. I have been all over Amazon, all over the internet, and I already did one video, so be sure you check out that video here if you have not already. Today I did partner with my friends over at ULA Hair, and I'm going to be getting into it because let's be clear, if you are looking for a gift for a girl, no matter her race, her color, her height, her shape, she wants some new hair. Okay, now this is right now a V-part wig, but I'm going to share with you guys what it looked like from start to end. Let's get into it.
Okay, so I really wanted to show you dolls how it comes packaged. They will send you your wig with all this stuff in a nice bag you can use for storage. So as you can see, I have the comb, the wig cap, the instructions. This is a 26-inch wig. I love that it's a V-part. So they do have about 5 clips on it, as well as the little hooks. And I mean, I think the stitching is pretty nice and flat. It even has a band in the back. So this is how it comes out of the packaging. I always wash my bundles and my wigs when I get them. So I'm just using some store brand conditioner and shampoo because like you saw, it's pretty dirty and I care about my skin. So some shedding, but not anything crazy. So as far as how I prep my hair, I'm being lazy. I want to just show you guys how fast you can put this wig on. So yeah, I just was kind of measuring it so I know how to part my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and part my hair in that V. I'm doing a lot of working out right now, so I want to make sure that I can still be fly but also not have to fuss with my hair too much. So after I put my hair in the braids, I'm just going to go ahead and clip on all of the straps, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I'm going to start by putting this comb on the bottom of my big braid. I'm going to line this up with my parts, and I'm going to take these combs that are on the inside and just now stick them in my braid, just for added support. But I'm not going to pull too tight. If you pull too tight, it's going to give tension on your edges, and we don't want that. And close those clips as close to the part as I can. I'm doing this in a quick style so that you guys can see how fast it is to put this on. I don't like how close it is to my edges, so I'm gonna go back a little. This is feeling pretty tight, y'all. I am loving this, y'all. Now that we have this on, and y'all, this feels pretty snug. She's not coming off. I'm going to straighten her. Okay, girl, and now we're gonna go ahead and style it. So she is on, she is secure. I put some heat protector on my real hair to flat iron it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my scissors because I need to make sure I layer it in the front so it does match my real hair. You want to make this look as real as possible, like an actual sew-in. So now I'm going to go ahead and do curls on my real hair with the weave. I think this is a great way to blend it. And then lastly, I'm going to go ahead and put big wand curls in my hair, but using our curling iron. This to me is the easiest way to get those kind of messy curls, like the messy beach waves. Okay, now you know we gotta slay our baby hairs, so yes girl, all done, get into it. I'm feeling like a Victoria's Secret model. Like, I love this hair. Yes, work, work, work. Y'all, this hair is absolutely beautiful. It's full, it's thick, it doesn't feel bad. Like, I love it.
Okay guys, so that is it. I am really loving this unit so far. Again, this is a 26-inch natural color black V-part wig from ULA Hair. The hair came pretty fast as expected. I do believe it came from overseas, so about like almost 10 days for it to get to me. Didn't have any problems with customs or anything like that. Hair did not have a smell, and yeah, I would recommend this. I believe this is a great gift for her because, honey, we love to switch our hair up. She not going nowhere. So it does feel pretty secure, and I didn't even do a full proper foundation for underneath. So this is definitely put on and go. If I were to just unclip it, I can take it right out and then in the morning put it right back on. So again, very, very convenient, especially for those who work out or just want to treat their hair. I love the fullness. This is the density. I want to say it's 180% density. Either way, y'all, I'm gonna put the links to everything right down below. So yeah, let me know, what do you think?
I know y'all love this set. It's from Amazon. This is a 3-piece set. It is oversized. I actually got it in a size 2X, so I kind of wish I went down one size, like a 1X. I love how you can wear it tied up like this, or you can go ahead and pull it apart and wear it in the 3 pieces like I'm going to show you now. Look at her. She is sexy. So there's not a lot of support. It's literally just fabric. I wasn't too keen on how one side of the fabric is printed, the other side of the fabric is not, but hey, you get what you pay for. It's a lovely set. I know I'm going to slay when I rock this. Perfect for spring, perfect for like a retro funky vibe, and girl, we are serving, okay? So it's really long on me. I'm 5'7" for reference, and yeah, I can wear heels. Now we're moving on to jewelry. I'm feeling this watch, y'all. I don't have a Rolex yet, but girl, this is given. Like, I like a little jewelry like this that kind of completes my whole aesthetic and my look. I love wearing it on this jumpsuit, which, by the way, this jumpsuit is viral on Amazon, boo. Like, I'm wearing a large, but look how it snatches my waist. There's a thick band right here. Like, it's a thick band, so it pulls you in. So this is what I'm trying to get the girls to understand, because they will comment, girl, you're already tiny. Okay, cool, but it snatches you in. I went ahead and paired it with this cute vest. It's a bubble vest. It's nice and puffy. There's actual, if you can see, 2 pockets. So a pocket on either side. It holds my cell phone. I have the iPhone Max. So yeah, you can zip it up. It's a nice thick zipper. I love it has those bungee cords. You can make it snatch your waist even more. Like, girl, you already know I loved anything cropped. So had to get the puffer vest. I love the color. Definitely an Amazon find that I'm loving. And next, I'm going to show you again. Look at this band right here. I'm going to show you guys these bodysuits, but I want to also show you this duster. This is like a jacket. It's really thick material, y'all. I've been wearing this as like a jacket lately, and I'm showing you these leggings. So these leggings are normally not see-through. I think it's because I'm on this white bodysuit, you can kind of see through it, and I'm wearing a size small medium. I should have got a large, extra large, but anyway, buy these leggings. These leggings come 7 in a pack. They're mad comfortable. And now I'm just showing you this top that I got. It's like a stretchy, silky shirt. So it feels really good on, and I think it's really cute. You can dress it up, dress it down. I'm going for more like classic staple items, and I think you definitely need a satin shirt in your wardrobe. And yes, girl, get into the earrings. Good statement piece. They come in gold too, but I got these from Amazon as well. And I think it looks really cute when you're trying to be simple, but still want to show like a bold piece. Now, I like the buttons because they're covered on this shirt. I love the cuffs on this shirt. I love a white shirt. I think it's clean, but of course it's crop top. I'm just showing you some of my arm candy. I am going to take the links out so it fits my arm a little bit better, but I'm loving this aesthetic. It looks so expensive, y'all. Like, it looks so cute. Do you see the bottom of my shirt? It's supposed to be like that. It's like an asymmetrical hem. But anyways, I'm getting into like the distressed look of things. Like this dress too, y'all. I wore this dress for Thanksgiving, got so many compliments. Look at the ribbed material. It's stretchy. It's not see-through. I wore a white bra. I know I shouldn't have done that. But yeah, do you see how it looked distressed, like inside out? I love that look. So black and white, of course, it's classic. It's hugging every curve. Again, it's not see-through, but because of the ring light, I'm wearing a white bra. You know, it showed, but I promise you, it doesn't show. So these are tights that I'm wearing, and honestly, before we get to the tights, let me get back into this watch, girl. Look at this watch. It's blinking. But okay, so girls wore these leggings. I didn't think they were going to fit. They actually did fit, y'all, and they're stretchy as heck. You can wear them as pants. I think I'm going to style them in like a look like this. That's like a shirt covering my booty.
Okay, dolls, so that is it. I really enjoyed making these videos for you. Give me a thumbs up if you are enjoying this series. Let me know which one of the looks from my try-on haul was your favorite. Also, let me know what do you think about the hair. I will put the coupon codes for everything I can find down below, as well as my sizes and my personal measurements to hopefully make it easy for you to shop. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel as well as my fitness channel. That way you guys can stay up to date with me. Again, I really enjoy making these videos for you. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is at @ChrissyTheDoll_official. That way you can see these outfits a little bit more, as well as on TikTok. Really appreciate all of your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce. Bye.